Hi everyone, I'm Shalini Devan with
Varsha.
Shikha.
and today we are going to be talking about something which adds value to our life. Being a wellness consultant, I am actually very happy to promote this product. This is called an exotic haldi, and this is Moni haldi from the foothills of Moni Hills, which is in the foothills of Shivalik range. And here we are actually growing a crop which is free of pesticides or any chemicals for fertilizers, and we are using the best of the soil and the best of water to do it. And what is best about this haldi is it is we are trying to help out the native farmers because they are doing a great job with giving something which is very pure. And anything which is pure is great for our health. And within the pandemic time, we would like everybody to consume things which are actually going to strengthen them from inside. So this works as a two-way, is because once we are helping out the farmers, and second we are giving back to the society something which is authentic. So this is why we have come up with this new product, and this is called Moni Haldi. So
How is turmeric beneficial for?
look, Vaisha, as we all know, it's a herb which is a very golden color herb which is always used in our cooking, in our day-to-day life. But the best thing about it is that it is going to strengthen our inside. For our well-being, it's going to be very good because it's going to strengthen our fight our infections, germs, viruses,
From the
and
immunity.
create a great immunity. And plus, as some of the research also shows that it helps out in cancer also. So consuming this actually has no side effects. So this is something, and it helps you strengthen your gut, because if your gut is strong, it will help you fight any of the infections or any of the germs or anything that actually might affect you, because we have the change of weathers. Because as we in India, we see we have different weathers like summers, rains, and now with the change of weather we'll be having the cold coming in. So this consuming on a day-to-day basis will actually help us strengthen our body inside.
Okay. So what are the various ways that we can use it? Because being an Indian, we use it in our cooking. So और कौन से तरीके हैं in which we can use
इसमें
it?
आप देखो, इसको नॉर्मल जनरल कुकिंग में तो यूज कर ही सकते हो, जैसे आप अपना खाना बनाते हो, दैट इज परफेक्टली ऑलराइट. नाउ यू कैन आल्सो ऐड इट टू योर मिल्क. तो आप मिल्क में ऐड करोगे तो दिस इज न्यू फैड वर्ड गोइंग अराउंड, मिल्क लाते,
Oh, yeah.
which actually is haldi wala doodh,
Right.
which over the generations and over the centuries has been coming down. And our parents and our grandmoms always used to talk about having haldi ka doodh. Remember, अगर हमारे को कभी चोट लगती थी तो हम उसके ऊपर भी हल्दी लगाते थे, because so that it helps you fight infection और कोई germs नहीं जाए. प्लस आपको अगर कोई चोट लगे तो आपको हल्दी वाला थोड़ा warm milk दिया जाता है. So you can add it to your milk.
Cooking is your healing.
From inside, and for the general well-being also. Then also आप इसको अपने you can स्किन केयर तो है ही, बट आप इसको अपनी चाय में भी pinch of it in your regular tea. कई बारी people don't have milk, कई बारी we have lot of tea lovers in this country, और लोग नहीं दूध कंज्यूम करते, तो it's perfectly alright. आप इसको अपनी थोड़ा सा एक pinch अपने चाय में डालो, at least if not in the whole day in all your tea cups, but at least एक बारी तो दिन में सुबह की या तो शाम की चाय में आप definitely डालो. और if you don't even want to do that, generally add it to a glass of plain warm water. Maybe to a lemon, you add lemon to it or not, that is up to you. Or you eat, add honey to it, वो आपके ऊपर है. But आप इसको normal plain water में भी डाल के पियोगे, so ultimately it's going to strengthen you from inside. So this is how actually for your general well-being, it's a great thing. And you can use it for your skin, as you said, Varsha, कि skin तो हम हमेशा कहते हैं कि आप हल्दी का लेप लगाइए, आप उसको चंदन में मिक्स करके लगाइए, and leave it for some time, and just apply it on your face. Just when it semi dries up, just take a little milk or a little curd and just rub it.
Okay.
And best, I'll tell you, the best time to put haldi is at night. तो ना वो उसका जो थोड़ा सा भी वो रह जाता है आप में, तो वो आपकी स्किन के अंदर एब्जॉर्ब हो जाता है. एंड मॉर्निंग व्हेन यू गेट अप एंड यू वॉश योर फेस, इट विल गिव यू वेरी हेल्दी ग्लो, वेरी गोल्डन एंड हेल्दी
golden tint
to your that. So this, so this is where you can use haldi. So haldi के तो benefits are ample.
Yeah.
तो
So
तभी
what is the specialty about this turmeric?
Now this, as I told you, इसमें soil which is used is totally, you know, जिसको हम कहते हैं ना वो मैन्योर जो गोबर से बनती है,
Okay.
which is totally, you know, no chemicals, no pesticides to it. So the best is कि अगर आपकी soil अच्छी है, आपने इसमें पानी अच्छा डाला है, तो that is why we call it exotic, is because we know we are doing it ourselves. हम खुद जब इसको उगाते हैं तो हमें पता है कि हम इसमें क्या डाल रहे हैं. So that is why we are promoting this. And soon, you know, if you want to know more about this, in the description box we are going to write about it. And do connect with us, because अगर आपको ये चाहिए, the crop is going to be just round the corner. It is end of October or early November. We'll have a new crop coming and we'll have ample haldi coming. So we have this haldi coming over. So whenever you want to connect or know from us more, please connect to us. Till then, take care of yourself.